Hi, and welcome to another edition of One Meal a Day Modified. These are some of my orchids. I have like 3 plants. Actually, I have 4 plants. And the reason you see them is because they're next to this masterpiece. This is my meal for the day, a gigantic salad that has shrimp, bell pepper, 2 types of lettuce. I put some cabbage in it to get a little extra crunch, as well as, of course, you know me, I have to add some nuts. So there's some almonds, some black sesame seed, and I think that's, oh, carrots, of course, carrots, because those are easy. And the star of the show, Peruvian shrimp. And I think I'm going to create like another peanut sauce or dressing to go with this, I think. If not, I'll just have Italian. We have some Italian here that's already made, so I might have that, but not sure of the dressing today. Continuing with this 5-day challenge. One day I did have, the first salad was so huge, I actually had it for 2 days. So this is the 5th and final day, technically, of the challenge. And I decided to end it on a seafood note since I hadn't, done any seafood at this point. And so far, I actually lost 3.5 pounds. So it's worked out really well. If I do get hungry, I am going to have like a fruit salad. And I actually did that yesterday as well. And that salad contained, I purchased, of course, I don't know why we're buying like all of these pineapples, but it's winter here and the pineapple is like so good. Obviously they're imported, but I will be definitely having pineapple in it because we have another one. Peaches, oranges, and it's actual oranges, not tangerines or anything like that. And cantaloupe, because we purchased another one of those as well. And I think I'll sprinkle a little bit of dried ginger over it because that just adds a little zing. And of course, I'll hit it with a squeeze of lemon juice. So that's the meal for today. How are you guys doing on the challenge? Were you able to go all 5 days? Did you do 3? I mean, if you didn't go all the way, that's still pretty cool. If you did, I would say 3 or 4 days. Are you going to continue with it? Is it a sustainable way to eat? I don't know. You might, as long as you're supplementing, and that's the idea of this channel, is that you modify where necessary. Obviously, always get your nutritional levels checked by an official doctor or nutritionist that will test your blood to make sure that you're getting enough, of all of the vitamins, iron, protein that you need. And that's one of the things I was trying to concentrate on in my salad preparations for this challenge, is making sure they were balanced. And that actually worked out a little bit easier than I thought it would. I was afraid that maybe I wouldn't have, for example, enough protein. And I was like, you know what? You're having plenty of protein. And I think I am. Of course, if you need to take your vitamins or supplements or whatever medications you take, if you take any, make sure you're doing that as well. And as I always said, consult a doctor or some sort of medical professional before you change up your diet. I am not that. These are just things I'm trying for myself to maintain weight loss, as well as hopefully lose another 20 to 25 pounds. I'll be super happy. And mainly, not only will I be happy about losing the weight, but I want to maintain it. As I always said, I've probably lost, a few hundred pounds over my lifetime, just like anyone else. And some people probably lost even more than that. And the thing is, I usually gain it back, minus maybe a couple of pounds. So my thing now is really not concentrating 100% on the actual weight loss as much as it'll be a side benefit as I try to maintain what I've lost already. So thank you for tuning in. Please give us a thumbs up, as well as I hope you try to make this. Oh, I put shallots in there as well. That's what that is. Hopefully you will, try some of these salad recipes yourself, get creative, and more than anything, remember that health is wealth. It really is. If you don't have your health, it doesn't matter how rich you are in any area of your life. If you are, not healthy, you're not going to survive. So take care. Have a good day. It's super sunny here. That's why the lighting is like crazy. And we are so excited. Although my husband is working tonight, of course, my doggy and I are going to go out on a really long hike. And I hope that you guys can get out wherever you are as well, regardless of what the weather situation is, as long as it's not dangerous. Take care, subscribe, thumbs up, give us a comment. Bye-bye.